These are video design notes for customer Crespo Lowe's 390 Lowe's Crespo. I want to show you the room real quick. We have an 8-foot ceiling, stipple finish. We have a straight run wall here with a refrigerator to the left, stove, over the range hood. They're not going to do a microwave there. And then pretty much this arrangement is going to stay the same. The difference here is that the customers had a water leak. Look right here on the floor. See the staining in the linoleum? So they're actually going to have these cabinets removed. They're going to actually take up the linoleum, take up the subfloor, replace all that, and get it ready for new cabinets by putting down a wall-to-wall ceramic tile floor. Now we've been talking a little bit about whether or not they want to do quarter round or if they don't want to do quarter round. We've told them, that they need to do a quarter round because of shimming. They want to use a quartz countertop for all this, so that's going to require some quarter round to shim those up to match that height. This is a traditional quarter round that's in the room, so if you have any things there, just let me know, but that's pretty much where you're looking at. Now start on this wall here. In the corner you got 30.5 inches. Real important, the refrigerator is right even with the hinges. See that? So this door will actually open to 90 degrees like that. We cannot put much of a bigger refrigerator here, but they do want this cabinet above with 3 more inches. So we want to have a 72-inch height for this refrigerator opening, just in case they want to get a counter depth refrigerator in the future. That's a double door Dutch door. And then also we want to put a plan on putting a 642 valance board here to be able to make up that difference, because there's going to be quite a bit of a hole here after we're done until that new refrigerator goes in. That's the only thing on the appliances. Everything else is a standard oven, standard range hood, everything there. This door here goes out to the garage. It's 37 inches wide. If you look right now, the margin to this is about 2 inches or so to the door trim. This is a 72-inch cab box. From the end of this cabinet box to that wall is 72 inches of 3-inch incremental cabinets. So they were okay with the diagonal corner. Going to keep the diagonal corner. Maybe make this a 24-inch cabinet or a 21, and maybe put this one as an over the counter microwave, one of the little microwave combo shelves. There's pictures of that on our website for you to see. Here on the bottom, talked about making a change from a Lazy Susan. This is a 36-inch Lazy Susan or Easy Reach corner cabinet. They don't really like the function of this, plus it hits the front. So what we talked about doing was making a 3x3 voided corner. The right-hand side of this voided corner would be a dishwasher return panel. We would move the dishwasher down to the corner, 3 inches out, and then this would be a 9-inch cabinet for like a tray base 9. Then this would be a 36-inch sink base. That moves this over 9 inches effectively, and that makes this cabinet a 21-inch drawer base cabinet. I've got that laid out on the design. If you have questions about it, let me know. But we need a 2x4x8 stud for that countertop to sit on the back corner for that to work out correctly. Now underneath the sink right now, there is no leaks or any kind of issues, but I do have plumbing through the wall, regular PVC, regular everything there, nothing through the floor, so we're good. On these measurements here, 38 and 3/4, I'm sorry, to the edge of this. 30 and 3/8 is the interior of this. 9 1/4 inches is from the edge here to the edge of the trim. Trim to trim is 37, and there's 1 inch back here behind this. So this margin at this point is about 6.5 inches from the door trim. Pretty much they're happy with that. They do want to change this upper bar to a ledge top instead of it being a bar top. They want it to be about 6.5 inches wide with the new layout of the countertops. So make sure that when you're doing a price for the countertops that you change this to a ledge bar. Right now, that ledge bar is right at 30 and 3/8. So it would be about 32 and 3/8 for the piece of stone that would fit in there. 32 and 3/8 by 6.5 or so. Otherwise, this wall is measured to the edge of this return. I just treated this as a straight wall, but it's actually a bow window inset. 108 inches from the edge of this sheetrock to the edge of this sheetrock, and then from this corner to the inside is 27 and 1/8. 116.5 this whole wall length here. Pretty much that's it. The microwave dimensions are on here. Let me show the microwave. The microwave is 21 1/4 inches wide from here to here. It is 12 inches overall tall, and it's 16 inches to depth with the plug behind it. 16 inches of total depth. If you have any questions for me, give me a call at 423-650-1051. Thanks very much. Have a good day.